How to fix Verizon cannot pay bill online. First of all, you simply have to use the Verizon application or portal if you're not being able to pay the bill from the application. So go ahead and launch your device's web browser or any web browser of your choice. Then head to the Verizon Express Pay. Tap on that search bar, search for Verizon Express Pay. Now once you find the official website, go ahead and tap on this, then fill in your details over there. Or what you can also do is simply clear your browser data history. Tap on this address bar with a lock icon right next to it. From here, you should be able to access this cookies and site data panel. Once you tap on this, you simply have to tap on the dustbin icon to remove any unwanted cookies and cache within the site. Proceed to reload your website, and this should also fix your issue. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.